it's Helen here from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be creating matching buds to go with the beautiful flowers we made earlier in the last video. If you haven't seen it yet, please check out the link below within the description box. To start off these buds, I need some more 26 gauge wire. I'm snipping one wire into 3 parts. Then I'm currently bending the wire around the tool, which creates a little hook at the end. For the base of the buds, I'm using SFP sugar paste. To get the lovely natural colour, I'm mixing a little bit of peach sugar flare, and then I'm kneading this until all the colours combined with the paste. I've taken a small section of sugar paste and I'm rolling it into a small bowl. Using one wire, I'm dipping the hooked end into the glue. If you want to make this, check out my other video. The way I insert the wire is with a little 3/4 turn. Remember to nip the end and smooth any excess paste. I'm making 6 buds all together, so I'm just going to repeat this process another 5 times. For the first 3 buds, to give it more detail, I'm just going to take my red tool and roll it from one side to the other. I'm just popping these to one side and creating another interesting look using a favourite of mine, the star tool. I press this into the top and it creates a pretty little centre. Next is the fun part where everything comes to life. I like to apply a slightly darker dust to make it more effective. The one I'm using now is Skin Tone by Sugar Flare. I've added the dust into the centre using a flat brush. Now, I'm just using the same dust on the other 3 buds. I just apply it gently along the lines to really emphasise the detail we imprinted earlier. To finish the look of these lovely buds, I'm going to apply a tiny amount of spring green sugar flare dust. Starting at the bottom, I've swooped the brush up and repeated this on all 6 buds. What I'm going to do is spray all 6 buds with Shell and Shine to give it a really glossy finish. A handy little tip from me is just to pick up 3 at a time to make sure you fully cover the buds with the spray. Now we've glossed all the buds, remember to pick up them other flowers that we made earlier. If you haven't made these yet, now's the time to check out that other video. Position all the buds and flowers how you would like them and hold it together using the florist tape in a downwards motion. Here's the finished bouquet. Hope you had fun creating this too. If you did, hit that like button and of course hit the subscribe button if you're new. Until next time.